If I told you that Michael Jordan and Elon Musk, two of the most dominant high performers in history, would crush it in sales? Why? Because they've mastered two things that every salesperson needs to win: resilience, the ability to bounce back stronger after failure, and risk taking, the willingness to bet on themselves and go big. Today, I'm going to break down why most salespeople fail, and more importantly, what Michael Jordan and Elon Musk would do differently to dominate the game. And if you're serious about leveling up in sales, stick with me, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix those mistakes and start winning today. Let's go. Let me ask you something. Do you let rejection destroy your confidence? Because that is the number one reason why most salespeople fail. One lost deal shakes their belief. A few no's in a row and they start doubting themselves. Instead of pushing harder, they play smaller. But you know who never let failure stop them? Michael Jordan. He missed 9,000 plus shots. He lost 300 plus games. He got cut from his high school team. And yet he said, I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeed. Sales is the same. If you stumble every time you hear no, you'll never hit elite status. Top closers don't dwell on losses, they learn from them. They track why deals don't close, and they adjust. They use every no as fuel to improve. Want to stop letting rejection hold you back? Master resilience. That's what we help high-level performers do, because mindset is everything in sales. If you're done letting rejection control your results, let's fix it together. Book a discovery call today, and let's build your mental edge. Now let's talk about why salespeople really struggle to close and why Musk wouldn't. Most salespeople play it safe. They don't go after big clients. They don't ask for higher commissions. They don't push for bigger deals. And guess what? Playing it safe means you stay stuck at average. Now let's look at Elon. He bet his last few million on Tesla and SpaceX when both were failing. He took on industries that were impossible to break into. He took risks no one else would. Now he owns the market. How does this apply to sales? Sales is not a game for people who play small. The best closers take action. They go after big ticket sales. They aren't afraid to take a chance. Stop playing it safe and start taking intelligent risks. Ask for bigger deals even if it scares you. Target high value clients even if you doubt yourself. Get out of your comfort zone because that's where the money is. Want to start winning bigger deals? Start taking bigger swings. That is exactly why we work with high performers, because most people stay small. All right, let's get to that final mistake keeping most salespeople broke. Let me be blunt. Most salespeople, they wing it. They don't have a structured process. They don't have a repeatable sales system. They just show up, hope for the best, and wonder why they're not closing. Jordan had a system. He didn't just shoot randomly in practice. He didn't hope to get better. He trained with precision. Musk had a system. SpaceX and Tesla ran like machines because they followed a repeatable structure. If you don't have a structured sales process, you'll never scale. The top closers follow a system for every call. They track objections, analyze data, and refine their approach. They know what works and repeat it. Want consistent success? Build a bulletproof sales system. So here's your challenge. Which one of these mistakes are you making? Letting rejection break you, playing it safe and staying small, or winging it with no process? Because the best sales professionals, they fix these mistakes fast. If you're ready to build that mindset, that strategy, and that system to close at an elite level, let's talk. Apply for coaching below. Let's build your success plan. If coaching isn't for you right now, I have a free PDF, links in the description. And if you got value from this, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping high performance sales strategies every single week. See you on the next one.